In this video, I will show you how to reset your Sony Smart TV back to factory default settings. Over here, I have the Sony Google TV, but following similar steps, you should be able to reset any other model of Sony Smart TV you have, whether it's the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV. Now to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings of your Sony Smart TV, in this case at the top right corner of the TV. So just scroll horizontally from the top of the TV to the settings over here. Now once you click on the settings, you just want to scroll down until you get to the system settings. You can literally see that over here. Go ahead and select it. Now scroll down once again until you get to the about option. Go ahead and select it, and from here you should see the reset option over here. Go ahead and click on it and then click on factory reset data, as you can see that over there. Now go ahead and click on it and then just scroll down and click on delete everything. Now one thing you have to note is that by resetting your TV to factory default settings, you're basically erasing everything on the TV and making it come as though it is brand new. So you want to just go ahead and click on delete everything. Now scroll down again and click on yes, and automatically the resetting process will start on your Sony Smart TV. Now you want to go ahead and give it some few minutes and the TV will automatically turn on itself once again. And now we are presented with the setup page for the Sony Smart TV, so you can go ahead and start setting up the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.